Alright, so I'm going to run over the feature list of my Dicebot real quick since there were some questions I was getting asked about it. This first tab is the commands tab. Basically, it has all the commands that every user can use in your friends chat. So like dice, duel, flower, poker, plant, all that stuff. Say I wanted to change either the output, so what comes out of the bot when somebody types exclamation plant, or what triggers the output to come out. I can edit that here and I can edit it live. So see, the script is already running right now, so if I go over and do, it'll plant a flower right there. And say I wanted to, I don't know, I'm just gonna add some random stuff here like A's. And then I'm gonna save that, alright? And then right after that, it comes out, and then... Interesting. Oh, I did the wrong command. So there it is, the new updated text with all the A's I added. For whatever reason I would do that, so I'm going to remove this real quick so I don't forget about it. That's basically how the deleting commands works. Over here is the functions tab, which has function commands. These commands are restricted to rank only. They can be enabled or disabled over here, and they can be toggled in-game by anybody who's a rank if they're enabled. And basically rank only sets it so that only ranks in the friends chat can use the commands of the bot. And then clear buffer is for if the buffer is full. The buffer is basically all the lines that the bot will be sending. So say somebody comes in and fills up the buffer with like trash, just planting random things or doing whatever. The buffer can be cleared by a rank, so you don't have to sit around waiting for it to empty out on its own. The auto text speed is for the auto text panel, which is basically just an info bot. It's not actually 60,000, there's 60 seconds. It is randomized a bit around that so that it's not as detectable. And then this is just enabling or disabling auto text. And the buffer size is the amount of lines that the bot will have in its queue before it just stops accepting new lines. I recommend leaving this at or around like 10 to 20 for best results. If you want to have it higher, it's up to you, but this is my advice. The auto text panel is fairly straightforward. This is down here, it shows what it's going to output. You can add and remove lines. So say I want to add like, I can do that real quick. It takes no time, it updates live, so you don't have to actually restart the script for this to happen. You can save, there's no separate profiles, but that's about all the features right now. If there's any requests I can add stuff, just hit me a private message, and yeah.